Wish you all happy World Veterinary Day. Veterinarian's Oath. Being admitted to the profession of veterinary medicine, I solemnly swear to use my scientific knowledge and skills for the benefit of society through the protection of animal health, the relief of animal suffering, the conservation of livestock resources, the promotion of public health, and the advancement of medical knowledge. I will practice my profession conscientiously, with dignity, and in keeping with the principles of veterinary medical ethics. I accept as a lifelong obligation the continual improvement of my professional knowledge and competence. Today's veterinarians are the only doctors educated to protect the health of both animals and people. They work hard to address the health and welfare needs of every species of animal. Veterinarians also play critical roles in environmental protection, research, food safety, and public health. Like Trimurthilu, veterinarians they play as scientists, then production the doctors, then clinical doctors as clinicians. Today, the human and veterinary medicines tend to be viewed separately. Doctors treat people and vets look after animals. Doctors usually have the advantage over vets in that they can talk to their patients, but vet life would be so much easier if their patients could talk. Yes, veterinarians are treating the animals which are not expressing their diseases or pains to doctors. Usually, veterinarians has an invisible sense, diagnostic sense to understand the animal pain and their disease, and they derive themselves to a conclusion to treat the animals from their sufferings. Veterinarians are compassionate when working with animals and their owners. Veterinarians possess special qualities such as decision-making skills, interpersonal skills, management skills, manual dexterity, and problem-solving skills. Treating dogs, cats, and other pets might be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about veterinarians. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Veterinarians also care for farm animals, monitor horses at racetracks, and inspect animals destined for the food system. It takes a year to complete the education necessary to prepare veterinarians for their duties. Only government colleges are available in India. Veterinarians in Andhra Pradesh works round the clock for functional indicators such as cases treated, curative treatment, preventive treatment, castrations, vaccinations, artificial insemination, calves born, fodder development programs, Raitu Sadasulu, fertility camps, supplying mineral mixes. Apart from this, distribution of backyard poultry through Manakodi program, sheep and goat through mini sheep and goat distribution program. Through these functional indicators, we enhance our core indicators such as milk, meat, and eggs. We are doing in-app ear tagging program. Apart from this, Pasu Nashta Parihara Padakam, Jiva Nashta Parihara Padakam. In this COVID-19 lockdown, we work for animal welfare. Now, we donate our World Veterinary Day Fund for human welfare.